Integrating Booksy with Lightspeed Retail is very simple. I'm already signed into Lightspeed on one browser window here and in Booksy in another window here, so I can easily switch from one to another. Let's start by activating the Lightspeed integration in Booksy. Click on My Business, scroll down, and select Business Modules. You can see the Lightspeed module here. Simply click on the on-off switch. To connect Booksy with Lightspeed, you must authorize your Booksy account to access your Lightspeed account. Click Sign into Lightspeed, enter your Lightspeed sign-in email and password, and click on Sign In. Now click on Authorize Application here, and that's it. You're connected. Now, make sure to associate this Booksy account to the right Lightspeed shop. You can have one Booksy account per Lightspeed shop. Select the default register, a tax category, and a class, so Booksy can apply the right taxes when creating your sales. If you've enabled an online payment integration, you'll be able to automatically create sales for online bookings with online payments. Simply turn Create Sale on, select a payment type, and register where the payments will go. Click Save, and you're done. You can now start creating Lightspeed sales from your Booksy account. Every time you create a sale, Booksy matches the personnel with a Lightspeed employee, the service with a Lightspeed item, and Booksy clients with customers that you have in Lightspeed. However, you can match them in advance by linking personnel and services to your Lightspeed employees and items, as well as importing your customers into Booksy. Once imported, the client list will synchronize by itself, as new clients who book appointments will be automatically added to your Lightspeed customers. Now, click on Personnel from the main menu, pick a staff member, and click on Details. The idea is the same. Select an employee from your Lightspeed account to link it to this personnel, so Booksy can use this employee to create the sale. Click Save, and you're done. Repeat these steps for each one of your personnel. Click on Services from the main menu, pick a service, and click on Details. You can browse and select an item from your Lightspeed inventory here to link it to this service, then click on Save. You can do this for each of your services, which is great for reporting. If you don't, Booksy will use custom lines with the service name when creating sales. If you don't see this option right here, it's most probably because you have not yet enabled your Lightspeed integration module. Now, let's go back to your calendar. Here, I have an appointment for which I want to create a sale. Right-click on the appointment and select New Lightspeed Sale, or click on it to open the appointment, and click on the Action menu here to select New Lightspeed Sale. From this dialog, you can change who provided the service and who made the sale, as well as which register to use. If this client is already linked with a customer in Lightspeed, it will be selected here. Otherwise, you can select one from Matching Customers, add a new customer in Lightspeed, or simply create a sale without a customer. Select Add a new customer in Lightspeed and click on New Sale. Now, switch to the Lightspeed tab to add more items to the sale, adjust the price, or complete the sale and take a payment. Please note to make sure you have pop-ups enabled or you won't be able to view your sale in Lightspeed. If you switch back to Booksy, you can see that a sale has been created for this appointment based on the $ icon here, and you can open that sale in Lightspeed by right-clicking and selecting View Sale. And that's it. You can now make your sales here and manage your appointments here. It's all integrated and simple to use.